In this video, we will learn two words, Condescend and Deign. We will learn the difference between these two words, their meaning, usage, etymology, and mnemonic. First, let's see Condescend. It means to do something that one considers to be below one's dignity, to debase oneself morally, act in an undignified manner, unworthy or dishonorable way, show that one feels superior than others. If you condescend to do something, you agree to do something that you do not consider to be good enough for your social position, to descend to a less dignified or less superior level. It is used as verb. For example, would not condescend to respond to such a derogatory statement. Etymology. Let's see this word descendier, a commonly known English word descend, to come down to a lower level. Its mnemonic is very easy. Just look at the word descend. It's very similar to condescend. Descend means to come down to a lower level. Or for example, it also sounds like pretend to be at higher level than what is at actual. Condensed emotions of a former friend. It also forms condescend. Now, Deign. These two words are almost synonyms, but at and we will see a slight difference between these two words. Deign means to do something that one considers to be below one's dignity, to do something unwillingly and in a way that shows that you think you are too important to do it. It's also used as verb. For example, she did not deign to answer the maid's question, would not even deign to talk to him. Etymology. It is from old French word dignier or Latin word dignary, to consider worthy, from dignus or dignity. Mnemonic. For example, see reign, which means to be at a higher status, but deign is almost antonym, which means to consider others at a lower level. Or look at the word dignity. It also sounds like dine, not dine with lower ranked people. It's just like deign. Deans are also of higher rank people, which are almost socially separate from others. Now coming towards difference. These two words are almost same, but they have a slight difference. And what is that difference? Deign has a little sense of arrogance. It means when someone keeps a distance from others, to pretend to be haughty or superior. But on the other hand, condescend doesn't have a sense like this. For example, when we say deign, we see he doesn't deign to look at me, he doesn't deign to shake hand with me. But when we talk about condescend, we tell that teachers did not condescend to explain things which students already know, or teacher did not condescend to explain to PhD students of little bit things, or condescend to drink tea with us. So condescend doesn't have a sense of arrogance or some sense of haughty. This is the little bit difference. Now there are some similar words which are also used in sentences. We will discuss separately in some other videos, which also have a little bit sense similar to these words. For example, give oneself airs. This is an idiom. To give someone the cold shoulder. To give someone oneself airs is like to behave in a superior way, and to give someone the cold shoulder means to ignore deliberately, to stoop to a low level. Thank you very much.